Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace. Oh,
we mobbing like a field trip. Apache Line Z gang got the steel grip. And then the clip try to peel nigga Will slip. Hand cocked on this nigga like he Will Smith. Misstatement 200, that was real piss. 2 pulls from a spliff make you real drift. Boy, walking in these streets, nigga, real shit. I know you think that last bar, that was real sick. Middle finger Rockefeller laws. Niggas still moving bricks in the corner store. Niggas said they want the beef, they don't want a war. Hit you in the gut with the cut, you don't want it raw. Just stack the chips, keep it pringling. We don't do the mixy shit, no mingling. On point, I feel my hoodie sense tingling. Chris Wallace shit, make your face meet my Timberlands. Fly rugged like Aladdin. In the Crown Vic, bitches think I'm cabbing. I'm the hottest in the borough, no bragging. True tales from the hood, nigga, no dragging.
I connect blocks like Tetris. Hit a bitch with the pipe that she seen the exit. We don't chase hoes, nah. It's that though we stressing. Dirty deep with my click, taking trips to Redding. Going hard, accepted like the black card. Menage a new bras, turn them into future hearts. We future stars, just my chips and stacked right here. I still get in like Katie on the bad night. If you have nice, then I need some half whack. Right here with daddy like meth. That nigga's Joey Crack. So fall back on my dog 730. I pop a nigga top like the new 430. If your boss heard of me, that's the warrior click. You Arsenal the bang grease from deep like Storyaka fits. 2014, nigga, this is our year. I'm moving more fellas than Cyrus and Carnage, nigga. You know what nigga get is hustle up. Push your weight, little nigga, get your muscles up. The celibate won't fuck with us. These suckers mad cause all these bitches sucking us. Yeah, fuck being on some chill shit. I'm all around out of town on some trill shit. Crown Heights motherfucker on some Phil shit. Me and life screwed up like a drill bit. Make moves worldwide, that's the logo. Around here disappear like Frodo. Summertime niggas still pitching snow though. Niggas finna put this game in the chokehold. See, gave me in here like a road game. Game like Coltrane. Two bus taking up about 4 lanes. Bitch blowing my brains out like Cobain. Yeah, I made a fortune off the cocaine. I'm polo down dirty with no shame. Oh Lord, like Humphrey Bogart. With the whole scene up like a Coast Guard. Make moves, see, yeah, we go so hard. Now we all around the world like a postcard. Don't fix if the shit ain't broken. Up my neck, wrist, pinky ring, stay frozen. On the line, crunch time, that niggas choking. With the yellow book to the grill like Hulk Hogan. Yeah.
fucking Z. Yo, I got a 100-round clip, been dying to let it pop off. Young Ox ready, been dying to knock your block off. Catch a nigga slipping, I'm gripping, steady tripping in my kitchen. I be whipping and flipping, I'm on a mission. And everybody ready for the combat. Say the wrong thing, you fuck around and get your mom clapped. Name any block on the island, y'all know I'm on that. It's money to Southside Zulu, yeah, I'm all that. I live by the code so I could die by the gun. The ratchet, I keep it on me, I will not be that one. This money, I keep it stacking, that's addition to the sum. 28 times 4, 950 if you come down. I'm in the hood, you know my team, we like the higher power. So if you screaming 25, go ahead and scream it loud.
25.
I'm with my niggas, you will never see me with no cowards. He can't get him, I'm the chill to bag of Roma South. Big fucking Z.
Yo, holla, let me hear something.
I got this. It's me right here. Hold on, y'all. Hold up.
Zulu Nation, reppin' for my people. Red, black, and green, see it clear cause they see through. Last of a dying breed is like we Hebrews. This spot for Biggie and Pac, I try no knee shoes. It's just the evils, Chef or the Diesel. They claim that they bout this life, we don't believe you. Look at these dudes claiming it's king. When they queens rocking dresses, all these feminine things. In the mirror rapping hard when they destined to sing. I break the hand that you write with your mic in a sling. I get your wifey sprung all in my spring. She free calling my fling. Work the coast hope, that's what I bring.
Keep it going, come on.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Damn Yeah, about to pass the baton. I'ma run this marathon, keep the legacy strong in it. Take a guard just to weather the storm. Bloody deeper than the Bible, humble, holy Quran. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. See gang got the streets on live, my nigga keep them hogs sharp, keep the heat on cock. Roll never split a nigga tryna beam up spot. Bunch of bad boys in effect, we won't stop. So much trouble on my mind. Focus on this money till this nigga cross the line. Tell his ass relax before he get his ass reclined. Parasites from the 9 tap dancing on your spine. I let that beat knock. I keep that heat cocked, acting concrete, get you nailed up like sheetrock. Zulu Nation, you know we be the 4 shots. Yeah, we do it big, but the mental frame is more pop. This peace I when saluting my Z's. Back to real rap, no more talking about keys. And that real tough shit that's real hard to believe. Please, you never popped off on New Year's Eve. G. Keep it going.
That's fire.
Yeah, about to pass the baton. I'ma run this marathon, keep this legacy strong. And it gon' take a guard just to weather the storm. Hoodie deeper than the Bible, humble, holy Quran. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Z-Gang got the streets on lock. My nigga keep them hogs sharp, keep the heat on cock. Rollin' never split a nigga tryna beam up spot. Bunch of bad boys in effect, we won't stop. Make more.